Hi everybody, this is Kim. I'm back again with another video. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video, leave me some comments at the bottom. Let's get this one started. This one is on OMG Queen Wig. Let me give you a warning. Warning. Okay, if you want to order a wig from OMG Queens, you have to give this company at least 1 to 2 months. I ordered this wig like the beginning part of March, and I didn't get it till almost the 1st of April. So give this company some time. I was hoping I didn't like the wig, so I didn't have to order from them anymore. But it turns out that the wig is actually really, really nice. The texture, the softness of the hair, the fit of the cap, the hair wasn't shedding. They brought, they sent out, and I don't know if I paid extra for that little band. I think I did. But it's like a little band that comes in it, almost like a bra strap band that comes in it. I hate to say it, but this company has some pretty good hair. And on top of all of that, the hair is affordable. But shipping sucks. This particular wig, 12-inch, is supposed to be a Rihanna inspired wig from the video Wild Thoughts. It was $150. Like I said, it's lace front, has adjustable straps in the back, has the adjustable strap that you could attach to the wig. It's a nice wig. It's a nice wig, and I'm seriously thinking about ordering another wig. Oh my God. They're just so slow. I hate that about this company. They're just too slow, but I most definitely want a straight wig. And also, this wig you could get in basically any length, 12, 14, 16, 18, but the longer you go, the more money it is, Also, this wig is from Rosa Beauty. It's an AliExpress vendor. If you're interested in this wig or the details of this wig, I'll leave a link at the top of the video, and you could click that and it'll take you straight to the video. Or at the end of this video, click the ending clips, one of those 2 videos, and it'll take you straight to the video on this wig and some of my other affordable wigs. Also, the wig, let me just put the wig on. Okay, this is OMG Queen Wig. Like I said, the lace on this wig, it just melts into my skin. I just used a little bit of the MAC Studio Fix, is this Studio Finish Concealer in a NW50. Hopefully you can see that. This is all I used. Just a little bit on the little hairline, the part or whatever. And I just washed it and I let it air dry. I don't have any products in this hair. I just let it just air dry. And I actually just had it sitting in the towel. I washed it a couple of days ago. But the hair is so beautiful. Oh my God. So beautiful. Like I said, I didn't want to like this hair. I really didn't, because the shipping sucks. I don't want to have to order another wig and go through that whole long month wait. But I think I'm gonna order another one. But look at the curls. This hair is beautiful. I honestly wish I would have got it in like a 14 or 16 inch, and then I just tucked it behind my ear, and I didn't put any gotta be glue. I think I'm done with that baby hair crap. I'm not good at baby hair, but I'm done with the whole baby hair thing. My thing is, I want to get my wigs to look as natural as possible, you know, so I'm gonna try to practice on that, trying to make them look natural, making it look like it's my own hair. And you know, your hair don't grow, well, at least my hair don't grow in waves and slick down, all that stuff. So I'm gonna try to start learning how to, you know, make it a lot more natural. But as you see, I'm gonna come up close. Like I said, I didn't glue this down. As you see, it's just, I didn't glue it down. It's just on her. And then I just put it right in front of my hairline. But this hair is beautiful. Yes. Okay. To subscribe, click the thumbs up button. Leave me some comments at the bottom. I see y'all in the next one. Peace.